Hey guys, it's Channing here. I really did miss you guys. I was gone a lot longer than I intended, but we're gonna pick up where we left off with these styles because Valentine's Day is actually in 2 days. I'm not sure when everyone is celebrating, but hopefully I can get some styles out there for you guys where you can actually be rocking one of my styles on Valentine's Day. So anyway, today's video is actually a style that I have done before. You can find it on my channel, but I have to be honest, the video is a total mess. It was a style that I actually saw on a runway. It was before everyone really like started wearing it. Not long after I did my video, I noticed so many more tutorials, whereas when I filmed the video, I didn't see any. Or at least, you know, I wasn't aware of them. So, you know, don't quote me on that. I don't want to make it seem like I put something out there, but I couldn't find it prior. I couldn't. But anyway, since then I've worn it a few times and I wanted to show you guys how I basically updated it, and I was able to, you know, just really execute the look a lot better than I was able to at that time. So let's go ahead and get into it, and hopefully you like this style. So the supplies you will need for this style, besides your comb and your brush, I've already brushed my hair up into a pretty good bun. Right now I'm using this Wetline Extreme because y'all already know I had an allergic reaction to the Eco Styling Gel. I'm not able to use anything with like tree nuts or anything like that, so you know I'm struggling right now. I'm not really the biggest fan of this because it has way too much hold for me, so I'm not able to like take it down and restyle my hair without soaking it, and that really sucks because I don't have time for all that a lot of times, but especially while doing tutorials. But yeah, slick your hair up in the best ponytail you could possibly get. In my opinion, I wish my ponytail was a little bit further up, you know, maybe right here, but I think it'll be okay. Make sure you have some sort of curly extensions, weave, wefted hair, your bobby pins, and some of this if you would like to accessorize your look. This is some of that wire gold stuff to wrap around your ponytail. Okay, let's get started. So I literally just went through to define the curls on this hair, and I'm just going to bobby pin this around my ponytail. I think this is a real easy, quick style too. I could picture someone on a date for Valentine's Day with this style. Yeah, I think I could picture it. Okay. And you can choose how much hair you would like for yours. But me, I want mine thicker than this. I want it thicker than that. You see how those curls are defined, y'all? Those are some pretty curls. Wow. This hair is from Yvonne Hair Company. For those of you who don't know, I used to put this hair on my channel like when I first started. This was the hair I would always use. I purchased it with my own money. I can't tell you how their hair is now, but back then it was thebomb.com. You can look back at like my very first video on YouTube and you'll see where I had this huge afro curly hair. The style was beautiful. It was a wig that I made, and I basically did a review on the hair. But I stopped talking about the hair and posting it to my channel because I reached out to them because so many people on my page were inquiring about the hair, you know, like, and saying, you know, they were gonna buy it. So I'm just like, well, I could reach out to the company, tell them about my channel, You know, I was relatively new then though, but I reached out and they asked for my channel name and everything, because I'm like, I'm using your hair like in every single tutorial pretty much, and I have a lot of people inquiring about the hair. Y'all, they asked for my channel name and then never got back to me. So I was in my feelings. I got a little upset and I just stopped mentioning them, but it doesn't change the fact that I like the hair. I still like it. And I've had it for some years now. And when I want to use it, you know, I just detangle it and throw it up there. I'm gonna take this last piece right here. I'm gonna wrap this around my base. Not exactly long enough. So I'm gonna grab another piece as I'm wrapping. And wrap that around really well. Y'all, these curls are beautiful. Yeah, I think the hair was Malaysian kinky curly or something like that. Look at those curls, y'all. Whew. Okay. So first and foremost, I'm gonna do some of this to the hair because of the way that the style is shaped. I just want to make sure I scrunch my curls. So those babies can sit up there the way that I want them to. And this is a cute style. Yes, it is. Very cute. Just imagine this as an afro. Like, this was some of the best hair that I've ever had. But I'm not trying to sell the hair again. I'm not trying to, I promise. I just can't help but brag about something that I like. Okay, now I wish my base was a tiny bit smaller than this, but considering the amount poof I want it to have, you know, we're gonna have to deal with it, okay? So this is pretty much our style, but I'm gonna take this sewing thread, and I chose to use sewing thread, but in all honesty, I really don't have to. See, I don't even have to use that. I'm going to just stick to a hair bow because I didn't do this last time. Didn't even use a hair bow last time. Last time I tried to wrap around the base. See, I told y'all while I'm doing my hair, I learn things all the time. I'm gonna grab another hair bow. I wanted a thicker hair bow. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do, because this one right here is like really loose, but it's doing the job. So yeah. See how things happen? Look at God. God is helping us out today. Okay, now I'm gonna see if I can double that. I may not be able to double it. So I'm going to pull it up. You see where I put my hair bow right there? And do it just like this. Yes, girl, yes. Okay, now we're going to, don't you just love when your hairstyles are a success, you know? I'm gonna take that other hair bow and still use it. And work this one down. And pull that one down just a tad bit. Yes, girl. Girl, that is what we wanted. I just love when hair works out. I love it. Okay, so now we're going to take this little gold thing, and y'all already know we're gonna wrap it around, okay? So I have to find the beginning of it, and this stuff is really a hassle. It gets on my nerves when I use it, but it does help out with making styles like extremely cute at times, so we're gonna use it. I'm gonna start by just poking it into an area, bending it down, and I'm just gonna start wrapping. But yeah guys, if you look through my channel, you'll see where I did this style before. And I was actually happy, well, somewhat happy with the end result. But it could have been better. And then the video was like really long too, so I'm gonna leave it up. I just wanted to go back and update since I've noticed people have been watching the video, you know. I need more of that gold wrap. I have something else that's gold though. It's almost like it, but it's thicker. So I'm gonna wrap that around too. This is thicker than that one. Okay, I'm going to go in and try to fill in certain spots using this one. And then that one wanted to give me problems. Like, come on now, I'm just trying to get the look that I'm going for. Okay. There we go. Okay guys, this is our style. Now tell me that isn't cute. And we have our little gold wire around there. If you have a lot of gold wire, like, you can really make it happen. But yeah, this is it. Hope you guys like it. Hope you guys wear it, of course. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'm gonna do a quick little spin for y'all. Turn around so you can see what's going on in the back. This is so cute. I love it. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. See you in the next one. Bye.